guys, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make pea soup, or in Finnish, hernekeito. Hernekeito is a soup that you can enjoy in Finland almost every Thursday in Finnish families. You are going to need a can of pea soup, a pot, a bowl, and water. Take out the pea soup from the can and put it inside the pot. Then, with the same can, you're gonna measure around the half of the can and put in there water. Try not to put more than half of the can, otherwise it's going to be really waterish and you don't want that. Take your mixture into the fire and then just start moving so everything comes all together. Wait until it boils and then it's ready to serve. And now you can enjoy of a really typical Finnish meal at your home. Remember to add panukaku and a glass of milk to complement your meal. If you want to see the recipe of panukaku that we have done before, you can just click in the image right there. I hope you like this recipe and see you later. Bye bye!